Hey football coaches, my name is Football Coach Alan, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can create your own football plays. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Alan. On this channel, I usually show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. But anyways, also, if you're a basketball coach or a basketball player, go check out Basketball Coach Alan. That's a fantastic channel as well. It's really good. But anyways, so today I'm going to explain to you how you can create your own football plays. Now, in football, as a coach, obviously, just like any other sport, you need to know the terminology and what each thing does. So let's get down to the clipboard. Let's explain what each route is, as well as what each offense is as well. And then at the end, we'll make a conclusion. The double wing. Jumbo formation. Now this is the power I formation. Now this is a shoot formation, and this is a tight wishbone. This is split backs. Now this is a pro I. Now this is a single wing play. This is a trips play. This is a wing T formation, and this is a spread offense. So this is the football route tree. That's what it's basically called. Flat route is this first one that we see here. Then there is the slant route, which is up straight and then out to a 45-degree angle. Now the quick out route is this one. It goes up and then a 90-degree angle. The next one is the curl route, where he's going straight up. This would be maybe 10 to 15 yards. And then he's going to be going back towards the middle of the field, and he's able to then catch that football. Now, the comeback route is just the opposite direction. Usually this one is going towards the sideline. Now, this is the out route, basically going up 10 to 15 yards out towards the sideline. Now the dig route is same idea, 10 to 15 yards out towards the middle of the field. So now this next one is called the post route. You're going up 10 to 20 yards and then going back towards the middle of the field. Now the opposite direction is called the corner route. Now the stake route, basically straightforward. Just go until the quarterback passes to you. It's also called the fly route. Basically, you're looking to get the ball as far down the field as humanly possible. Okay, so here I am going to make a quick play right in front of you, one that obviously I'm just creating right now. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to do a slant cut with player 3. And then what we are going to have as well is player 6. He is going to go and run a post cut. And then what we will have as well, we will have player 4 going out. We would actually run this as a drag. And then once we get player 2 is going to be going in for a block on this side. We're going to have 9, 8, and 7 blocking, 11 blocking as well. 10 blocking. We're all forcing the players straight up. I don't want them to be forcing left or right. However, what we are going to have is player 1 going straight back, and we're going to be looking at player 3 as our first option, player 4 as our second option, unless we needed to get the ball out of bounds quickly and far. Then we would look at player 6 as a first option. So there you have it. Basically, it's not that hard to make your own football plays. If you would like to make your own football plays and make your own images and link them to me, email them to me, whatever, and I might just feature one of your plays. Comment below if you want to show me some of your football plays. Anyways, I will see you guys next time in another football play video. And hit that like button, subscribe if you like football stuff like this, as well as football or basketball stuff. Go check out Basketball Coach Alan. That's my other sports channel, I guess you could say. Basically, I post basketball plays, drills, and skills on there as well, so go check that out. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, it's getting close to back to school. Here we have some pencils, pens, markers, highlighters for around $10, or you can get the full pack with the books and glue and everything else for around $35. So link is in the description below.